Hey, what's up? It's Wally coming at you. I know I ain't made a video for y'all in a minute, but I wanted to bring out something that was guaranteed money. All right, you can make $1,000 a day with this. It don't matter what age you are. All right, from one app. All right, it's this app that I'm into. This app that I download, and they pay you right now they're paying you $10. Paying you $10. You download, connect the app, you're gonna get a link. As soon as you send the link out, you're gonna get $10 for everybody who signs up under you. All right, easy, simple. And then when the promotion is over, it goes down to $5. But on top of that, every time you use your card that you link to the app, you're gonna get money back. So in turn, with people downloading the app that you sending them, and getting $5, and then you making daily purchases like at Walmart, Save a Lot, Pizza Hut, Papa John's, all that stuff there, you're gonna get cash back for your purchases. I'm telling you, it's easy to make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a day with this app, especially right now since they're giving everybody straight up $10 off the rip. Okay, and this doesn't. You don't have to hop in nobody's email list. Nope. You don't have to buy no ebook, look and read and implement something. Nope. You don't have to make a blog post. Nope. You don't have to buy something to go ahead and get it. Nope. All you got to do is go hit the download link in the description and start getting paid. So make sure you do that, all right? Hit the description, download the link, and let's get you in there, okay? That's all you got to do. I don't care, and I'm telling you, you could do this 15, 16, 17 because you got a cell phone. If you got a cell phone, go into the Google Play, or go to the Apple Store. It's going to be in the link, and you're good. Peace out. Get started. $1,000 a day.